मतलब क्या इमेजिनेशन जिन्होंने लिखा है, कहाँ पहुंचे हैं वो.
That is a very poor remake.
You have to be a good wife,
हाँ,
raise
हाँ,
kids
हाँ,
types
हाँ.
family.
ऐसा लगता है भगवान ने उसको ना जियोमेट्री सीखते सीखते बनाया था.
Oh wow, I mean I can watch for looks.
Nice concept that love cannot be put in a straight box.
Can we just do not sure? Hello and welcome to a brand new episode called Pass or Watch. And I'm sure आप लोगों ने मेरे काफी वीडियोस में देखा होगा कि I talk about my creative sister a lot. So here she is.
Hello, hi. Nice to meet you all virtually.
Yes. Okay, so quickly let me explain what this episode is about.
हाँ.
So it is pass or watch. हम दोनों एक दूसरे को कुछ वेब शोज रिकमेंड कर रहे होंगे एंड हम एक दूसरे से देखेंगे कि इफ वी विल वॉच और वी विल पास. सो हमने डिफरेंट दोनों ने अलग अलग OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स को पकड़ा हुआ है. तो Amazon प्राइम एंड नेटफ्लिक्स. तो हम जो वहाँ पे अवेलेबल है आपके साथ वो शेयर करेंगे. अब क्विकली स्टार्ट करते हैं.
Please.
Why don't we start with you?
Hi. Okay. So I think my first show would be the show that I am binge watching right now.
Mm-hmm.
It's called The Good Fight.
Howard.
Your Honor?
You proved yourself. You don't have to keep proving yourself over and over.
You've been saying a lot of that lately.
Making up for lost time.
It's a woman-oriented show. It picks up a lot of things about women in the corporate world, in jobs, and African Americans. It's set in America. So African Americans, again, in the American cultural society, जैसे अभी है, it is picking up a lot of societal problems and political problems that are faced across the world right now, not just America. And really good legal cases and मेरे हिसाब से as somebody who's not a lawyer, I think very authentically done. अगर आपको suits पसंद है खासकर, तो this is a much better law procedural show.
Okay, so I think I will give it a watch.
Yeah.
आपको पहला वॉच मिल चुका है. चलिए अब
आपका.
मेरी बारी है. My show is called Anne with an E.
There's no point in crying. There's been a mistake, is all.
Girls can do anything a boy can do, and more.
My name is Anne Shirley Cuthbert, and please be sure to spell Anne with an E. I won't eat next to dirty trash.
It is a very beautiful show about an orphan girl जो कि ऑर्फनेज में है, वहाँ बुली होती है. उसको हाउस हेल्प की तरह ले जाते हैं फॉस्टर करने के लिए. मतलब
Okay.
ऐसा होता है कि अडॉप्ट कर रहे हैं बट हमेशा वो हाउस हेल्प ही रहती है. एंड
Okay.
काफी अब्यूज्ड बच्ची है, 13 years old.
Okay.
एंड उसको फाइनली एक फैमिली अडॉप्ट कर रही है. तो जो फैमिली है वो अनमैरिड सिबलिंग्स हैं बट एल्डरली.
Okay.
पर जब वो स्टेशन पे जाते हैं उसको लेने के लिए तो दे वर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि एक बॉय होगा बट वहाँ पे एक
Okay.
लड़की होती है. तो वो अनएक्सेप्टेंस आता है. फाइनली एक फैमिली है जो अडॉप्ट कर रही है बट वो कुछ और सोच कर अडॉप्ट कर रही थी. तो जो सिस्टर है वो थोड़ी सी शी डोंट वांटेड क्योंकि उनको फार्म में हेल्प के लिए बॉय चाहिए था. कोई जिसको हम अडॉप्ट करेंगे बट ही विल आल्सो हेल्प अस इन फार्म. बट उनको ये दिमाग में था कि लड़की कैन नॉट हेल्प बाहर के कामों में.
Right.
तो वो कैसे वो एक्सेप्टेंस आता है, वो कैसे अपने आप को फिट इन करती है, उसकी जर्नी क्या है. आई थिंक इट्स ब्यूटिफुली रिटन एंड अमेजिंगली एक्टेड.
मुझे ऐसे शोज पसंद आते हैं जिसमें खासकर women are a thing.
Yeah.
I think हमारे दोनों पहले शोज वैसे थे but
हाँ.
हाँ definitely watch. Definitely.
Yay!
Next मेरा on similar lines in terms of procedurals, in terms of whodunit types, Jack Ryan.
I work behind the desk. I write reports.
That sounds
Boring?
Can't go to Yemen. I'm an analyst. I don't interrogate people. I write reports.
Get on the plane.
Fiction है, of course, but it picks up an analyst who works for the CIA, I think. I may be wrong. It picks up on a very important piece of information about an upcoming terrorist attack, say in the first season. And then because of various circumstances, he gets involved in nullifying the situation or, diffusing the situation. So it is his journey. He is not a combat officer. He is not an army officer. He is not trained in combat. But mostly dimag istemal karte hue, he is working with the other agencies in the government to resolve whatever the season ka issue is. And that is the show. It's very gripping. It's very hoga nahi hoga ढंडड़ांग wala, kind of like Family Man in India, but nice and cute guys.
I think the last word that you said, family man type कुछ है तो made it easier for me to understand. So yes, it will be a watch.
Yay.
Next show is Unorthodox.
Why did you leave?
God expected too much of me. Where I come from, there are many rules. Will you help me?
Okay, so 19-year-old Jewish girl got married to a very ultra-orthodox family. जिसमें मतलब you have to be a good wife, raise kids types family, ऐसे रहना है वैसे रहना है. And one day she's like, I don't want this. She just runs away from very orthodox scenario and she moves to New York. And then वहाँ पे वो देखती है कि लाइफ क्या है, लाइक लड़कियाँ पढ़ रही हैं, लड़कियाँ जॉब कर रही हैं, पार्टी कर रहे हैं, जा रहे हैं इधर उधर दोस्तों के साथ मिल रहे हैं. देन वो पूरा एक्सपीरियंस करती है, वो सब अपना वो बैरियर तोड़ के she just runs away. फिर उसका हस्बैंड ऑब्वियसली पीछे से आता है कि यू हैव टू बी गुड वाइफ एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. 19-year-old गर्ल वो सारा कुछ कैसे हैंडल करती है, कैसे अपनी लाइफ स्टार्ट करती है. इट्स अबाउट दैट.
Nice. This sounds like something that could be interesting. So obviously बात है हम watch करेंगे.
Yay!
ये मैंने सुना भी नहीं था, so that well done on that.
Yes.
It's very rare कि मैंने show सुना भी नहीं होता है. थोड़ा बदलते हैं mood. Modern love.
Surely there's someone out there who will take me for who I am.
Beautiful stories. It's about modern love. कि they're all romantic relationships or quasi romantic. मतलब brother sister नहीं है, parent child love नहीं है. It is very much, partners वाला love. But it is a modern take on it. It is sometimes unrequited, sometimes homosexual, sometimes heterosexual, sometimes somebody who's lost their partner but still continues to love them, so on and so forth. Sometimes it's two random strangers who are showing a different kind of love, not sexual, not romantic, but still love. And beautiful stories. या कोई मेडिकल इश्यूज हैं, सो ऑन एंड सो फॉर्थ. मतलब बहुत सारे इंस्टेंसेस हैं. एंड मॉडर्न लव मुंबई. सो देयर ऑल फील गुड. ऐसा कोई सैड एंडिंग नहीं है किसी का भी. एंड इट ओपन्स योर आइज अप टू अ डिफरेंट आइडिया ऑफ लव. कि लव हमेशा ऐसे नहीं. लव हमेशा कबीर सिंह नहीं होता. लव हमेशा पाना नहीं होता, पोजेशन नहीं होता. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस कॉन्सेप्ट दैट लव कैन नॉट बी पुट इन अ straight box. You have to be open to different kinds of experiences.
Okay, yeah, feel good romance, I'm on it. Yeah, it's a watch.
I'm winning.
Next recommendation is The Good Place.
You, Eleanor Shellstrop, are dead.
Somebody royally forked up. Why can't I say fork?
If you're trying to curse, you can't hear.
That's bullshit.
Tell me if you've heard of it.
I've heard of it, but I have not seen it.
Okay. So there's this saleswoman. कुछ ना कुछ करके अपना काम निकलवा देती हैं. She's not very good अपने life में. And all of a sudden she's dead. And अब वो heaven जो कहा जाता है ना कि heaven में पहुंच चुकी है. तब वो heaven में पहुंच गई है mistakenly. किसी और को heaven में आना था, उसको hell में जाना था क्योंकि उसका जो lifestyle था वो hell वाला था. So she was supposed to go hell में, but जो भी हुआ and then वो good place में आ गई है. So good and bad place. Good place में आ गई है. And now she's hiding herself कि मैं यहीं रहूँ तो मैं अच्छा बनने की कोशिश करूँगी कि मैं I don't swear, I don't cheat anybody, I'm a nice person. तो वो कैसे उसमें रहती है. तो सारा good place and bad place का मतलब after life क्या होता है,
right,
उसके बारे में है. Comedy है, it's not serious,
right,
it's fun. तीन सीजन है, I think. काफी अच्छा है. Quick 20 minutes के episodes हैं, आराम से देख सकते हो. And then lightweight, it's not very heavy to watch.
Good.
Watch.
Okay, continuing on that theme, मेरी next show होगी ये बेसिकली ऐसा शो है which is not in my typical genre.
Okay.
But अगर मैंने ये नहीं डाला होता and जो लोग मुझे जानते हैं अगर वो ये देखते एपिसोड तो वो बोलते तूने ये नहीं डाला ये मतलब I'm that hardcore a fan. इस शो का नाम है Supernatural.
This book. This is Dad's single most valuable possession. Everything he knows about every evil thing is in here.
That's his legacy. So we gotta keep going.
It is in the horror genre.
Okay.
I will say this. It is about monsters and ghosts and demons and ghouls and everything, and they exist. Essentially, at its core, it is two brothers who have been raised as hunters of the supernatural.
Okay. Ghost,
demons, werewolves, vampires, ये लोग सब पकड़ के मारते हैं and दुनिया को बचाते हैं in that sense. Their father goes missing on a hunt. He is out hunting a supernatural और फिर वो गायब हो जाता है. So then these two brothers who have been separated for some time due to whatever, they come back together with the sole purpose of finding their father. And then how their life unravels basically.
Can we just do not sure? I think
I will also say this, it's a very long series. So I am recommending the first 5 seasons because that is this arc.
Yes.
उसके बाद they of course were like this is a money minting machine, इसको continue करते हैं तो थोड़ा
खींचा गया
हाँ वो हो गया था but हाँ
चलो I'll say not sure. I want to be honest here. ऐसा नहीं
but start with season 1 अगर कोई देखता है
तो हाँ मतलब I can but this is going to be last में list में अगर तो ये अभी not sure पे हूँ
अच्छा oh sorry one more thing that might tilt a few people उसमें से one of the boys is touted as the best contender for Batman.
Oh.
He is that good looking and he is that great a voice.
Wow.
Jensen Ackles, Google him. मुझे दूसरा ज़्यादा पसंद है but Jensen Ackles is the more conventional, good looking. ऐसा लगता है भगवान ने उसको ना geometry सीखते सीखते बनाया था.
Oh wow. I mean I can watch for looks.
Exactly.
Nothing.
A lot of people did. A lot of people did.
Okay. I think we should not share this video with our husbands.
नहीं उसको पता है. He knows. My husband knows he's not allowed to talk about supernatural negatively at all. हाँ जी.
चलो next I don't think so आपने सुना होगा is Behind Her Eyes.
सुना है देखा नहीं है.
Okay.
You work with David. Small world.
Now tell me before I start screaming.
I see things. I see how scared she is of you.
It's twisted mind games. Couple है husband wife moves to a new city but काफी suspicious से हैं. Husband distant relationship है दोनों का काफी.
Okay.
And psychiatrist है. उसकी जो assistant है उसके साथ उसका affair हो जाता है. And then उसकी wife के साथ भी assistant बहुत अच्छी दोस्त है.
Okay.
But धीरे धीरे उसको समझ आता है कि कपल थोड़ा सा तो कुछ है हस्बैंड वाइफ अजीब से एंड कुछ बहुत क्रेजी है लाइक आई जस्ट डोंट वांट टू से हमने सोचा नहीं होगा उस लेवल का क्रेजी है
राइट
समथिंग टू डू विद माइंड बट उफ मतलब क्या इमेजिनेशन जिन्होंने लिखा है कहाँ पहुंचे हैं वो इट्स नॉट डेली सोप टाइप की husband wife and affair
extramarital affair
nahi it's something else
just on that premise of how you said it
yay
this is a slightly different genre but again a genre that I love. Rings of Power.
I am not the hero you seek.
Whatever it was you did, be free of it.
One day this will be your kingdom.
I am a geek, I am a nerd. मतलब Harry Potter, Lord of the Rings, you know, these are my eternal favorites. And Lord of the Rings के साथ चलते हुए of course comes Rings of Power. जो Tolkien बंदा है जिसने Lord of the Rings लिखी थी, J.R.R. Tolkien, he obviously didn't write Rings of Power. There is no book on the Rings of Power. What these writers have done is they've picked up the universe from various sources, all the other books from this universe. They have then created their own story. जैसे थोड़ी बहुत द हॉबिट ने भी की थी, if you've seen the movie, then I think the first part stuck to the book. उसके बाद they made it into a 3-part movie. It is not that complicated in the book. So the same thing they've done with the Rings of Power, but they're giving a background to the Lord of the Rings.
Okay.
अगर आपने Lord of the Rings नहीं देखी है तो जाओ किसी पत्थर के नीचे छुप जाओ. But like jokes apart, पुरानी पिक्चर है, but one of the best ever Hollywood movies, cinematographically and story wise, and you know, keeping you hooked. 3 घंटे की पिक्चर है, जोधा अकबर, मुगले आजम, लगान टाइप, but it's worth it. It's amazingly shot and beautiful acting. So it takes up such a powerful universe and such a strong universe in terms of the fandom, and then starts explaining a lot of things कि ये हुआ होगा तो कैसे हुआ होगा, ये क्यों हुआ होगा, ये betrayal कैसे हुआ होगा, ये setting कैसे आई होगी, to explain a lot of what happens in the Lord of the Rings. So for the geeks, for the fans, for the people who love mythology, not our religious mythology, but mythology, this is a definite must watch.
Okay, so I have seen Lord of the Rings.
You have?
Yes.
I'm surprised.
Yes, I mean, Rishabh only made me watch it.
All 3?
Yes.
Uncut?
The one that's available on Prime. So I would love to watch Rings of Power. The Rings of Power. So it goes on my watch list. Okay. It is called Atypical.
I'm a weirdo. That's what everyone says.
She's smiling right at you.
You need to turn that down like 70%.
I'm not a little kid anymore. I can do things.
A teenager boy who is autistic and he doesn't want to live a life जैसे एक autism बच्चे को कहा जाता है रहने को.
Right.
He wants to like live independently. Hi Shotu. He wants to live independently. Also have a relationship if he finds somebody, but उसकी family थोड़ी सी protective है कि कैसे पूरी दुनिया is not for you, it's not like made for people like you, बहुत complications होंगे, how you live independently. उसकी mother is like it's difficult for her to let go, and then वो कैसे करता है. Very sweet show, so I would recommend.
Watch. Yay. And I like these kind of stories a lot, where somebody breaks the conventional mold and does this. Okay, last from my end, it is a prequel to my first recommended show, The Good Fight, जो मैंने बोला था, उसका prequel, The Good Wife.
You alright?
All rise.
I've learned a lot by watching Alicia. She's a natural.
You know what a betrayal this is?
You were poison!
अगर आपने वो काजोल का शो देखा है जो इस पे था, हॉटस्टार पे था, The Trial, whatever, कानून, something, that is a very poor remake of The Good Wife. Very poor remake. Please don't judge it by that.
Okay.
But essentially it is about a politician's wife, and the politician is caught in a scandal and is sent to jail, and this wife is left to pick up the pieces, and of course, being a good wife, she's not divorcing him, and the struggle she goes through with, does she want to divorce, does she not want to divorce. She was a lawyer before marriage, before having kids. She gave that up for her family, for her career, but now she has to support her family and her kids, so she goes back to work. She is at the same level as 22-year-olds, 23-year-olds, fresh lawyers, bacche, and how she struggles to make a mark. And then her career trajectory, where she becomes a badass lawyer and she's like, मैं दिखाती हूँ, मैं करती हूँ, and she takes the legal world by storm, all the while balancing her personal life. And then the twists and turns that come. But इतना अच्छा show था with such strong characters that they actually picked up the ancillary characters from this show, not the main characters, and made The Good Fight. There was enough interest कि इनकी कहानी बताओ. So The Good Fight is दूसरों की कहानी. The Good Wife is the good wife की कहानी.
Okay, I think it will be my watch list.
Hey, but yes, I think they were good lists.
हाँ, same. I got to know a lot of new shows. We hope you enjoyed our lists of shows and let us know आप लोग कौन सा देखने वाले हो and कौन सा पास कर रहे हो वो भी बताना. And nobody will take offense. It's okay. सबका अपना अपना choice of genre है. जैसे भी आपको पसंद है आप पास and watch हमें बताना. And आपने भी कोई recommendations हैं तो वो भी हमें comment पे बता देना.
एक और चीज बता सकते हो जो हमने shows बताए उसमें से अगर हमने कोई selling point miss कर दिया
हाँ yes तो वो भी आप बता देना. Thank you so much and we'll see you in the next episode of Pass or Watch. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो make sure to subscribe to our channel. It will help. Okay.
Subscribe. Bye.